It's a special day today.
Yes, yeah.
We are eating this pork, and it's something your family hasn't had for almost a year.
Yes, yeah.
Very special day,
Yes.
and let's also cheers to that. Best Ever Food Review Show is back with another food series, this time covering Northern Vietnam courtesy of ONETRIP Tours, and these next 4 weeks are gonna be magical. Vietnam's northern mountains are populated by many ethnic minorities, and during this journey we'll get a closer look at how many of them live and how they eat. In this series, I get adopted by a Red Yao family.
When we get drunk, we feel very happy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. We'll make some human soup. Wow, I feel like I'm in a giant hot pot right now. We'll get lost in one of the most colorful markets in the world.
Banana leaf, the original throwaway plate.
And we'll try some rare mountain delicacies.
Oh my God, I've never been so happy to have a bee suit on. He just told me to hold this, don't smush any bees, and don't drop it or else they'll all freak out.
So check back each week because we're doing all this and more. Today we're in Phin village, home of the Red Yao people. And before we eat, I'm getting an exclusive house tour with my tour guide, May. We are at the house of our local guide today. So you grew up here?
Yes.
Your whole life?
Yes.
How old are you now?
I'm 19 years old.
What we're gonna do next is we're gonna check out your house,
Yes.
which is very exciting for me to see how other people live. Let's go check it out.
Yes.
Okay. My first thought when I walked into here was that your house seems huge, but you said this is not a big house?
Yeah, that's not so big.
Not so big?
Yes.
Okay, it's a lot bigger than my apartment. Over here, this is like a year's worth of rice.
Yes.
Why do you have so much rice?
In here, we just planting one time for 1 year. Because weather in here too cold.
So other places in Vietnam, they can plant rice 2 or 3 times a year and just grow continuously. But here in the mountains, you just have one chance.
Yes, that's for the kitchen.
Oh, is this your grandma?
Yes, see my grandmother.
Okay.
Yes.
Bye. We are at the, you'd call this a kitchen?
Yes, one family, we have 3 kitchens.
Wow, 3 kitchens.
Yes.
I want 3 kitchens. The smoke just goes up and out that way?
Yes, go up in here to get dry everything.
You're using it to cook, but it's also drying the other food. I like it.
Careful this.
Look at these like wooden stairs here. Yeah, do you want me to hold it for you?
Thank you.
Oh God, is this gonna?
Careful.
Yeah, no, this seems like a good idea. Oh, it's good. Okay, it's sturdy. It's nice and sturdy. Camera guy, you're next. The first kitchen we saw, the fire from there, actually, your grandma's building the fire right now.
Yes.
So the smoke is coming up. And so now I know what that rice feels like, okay? So the rice, usually you put here to dry.
Yes, yes,
But
yes.
there's no rice here now, is there?
Yeah.
Oh, this is all rice?
This is the rice, yeah.
You never come up here to drink rice wine?
No, we never can come up here.
Okay.
Yeah, because to smoke.
They don't care if you drink rice wine?
Yeah, no.
Oh, you got cool parents. My parents are lame.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And your father helped build this?
Yes, the boy and the man in here, about 18 years old, they know how to build the house.
All right, here you've got these giant wood tubs. You said this is for a leaf bath?
We use the local medicine to make
Okay.
herbal bath. When we work the field, we feel very tired. We have herbal bath, then we feel very better.
And then there's one more kitchen over here?
Yes.
All right, let's look at that one. So right here is your third kitchen. This is the drying technique right
Yes.
here, the corn.
This we just get the animal.
Oh,
We get the
okay.
pig and the chicken.
But right here, we have the fire pit. This one is for the winter.
Yes, for the winter.
You actually get winter and snow here.
Yes.
Can you like make a snowman?
No, we don't make that.
Well, okay. Can you do like a snowball fight?
Yes. we
Okay,
make that.
yeah. Look, we got snowball fights. Thank you for showing me your house. Can you tell me what's for lunch?
Yes, now we go to the forest to find some pig to make the food. To
That's
make
right.
the lunch. Yes.
We're going to the forest to find a pig. All right, pig time. Let's go.
Thought you'd be the one for me. Won't you tell me how you feel?
Right now what we're doing is called trekking. It's a fancy word for walking up a hill. We're having pig today. How often do you have pig?
We in here we just eat meat for the special day. Maybe we have 4 times for 1 year.
Wow, this could have almost been a vegan video. That's so special. We get to have a pig together today. We're having a lot of fun trekking and your mom is up here. Oh, is she okay? All right. She's getting some fruit?
Yes.
There's food all along the way.
Cái đó mình nhận thế này.
Well, look at that.
Yes, eat for the rest.
I've never seen a fruit like this. So this is like a berry? Is there a seed inside?
Yeah, you just bite it. This.
Just by, okay, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh, I did the whole thing. Did I do too much?
Sour.
It's like a skinny grape. Have you had grapes? Have you ever had McDonald's?
No.
Oh my God. I wish I would have brought you a Big Mac. Everybody watching this video hates me now. So you've never had a taco? What about a taco?
No, we don't have that.
Can I eat the seed?
No, you cannot eat it.
Oh. She's like, man, this guy's such a noob. Look, I don't know what I'm doing. That's why you're here. Let's keep going. That was good.
Okay.
I really, I just wanted to take a break from all this walking. I mean, yeah, let's keep going. I'm not tired at all. Tell your mom I can talk to
Như
goats.
hai con nghe tiếng dê nè.
No, he said go away. I like your bell. Oh. Really? I'm a guest. I'm a guest here. We're gonna catch a pig, or is the pig caught already?
We have to catch the pig.
We have to catch it ourselves? I'm really good at catching chickens. Gotta be stealthy. It's on. But I never tried to catch a pig. There's a pig right up here. It looks like a wild boar. Up here. Oh, I hear pig noises. 2 kilometers trekking through the, well, you saw the terrain, and now here we are. I hear some pigs. Let's go say hi. Is your mom saying hi? What is this sound?
My mom called the pig.
And they still come, even though we're gonna eat them?
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing. Do pigs bite? Hey, why can't I pet you? Feeling rejected. I guess they're young pigs. I think we're having a young pig today. I don't know how much of this we can show. You know, the rules for YouTube are, it doesn't matter if it's a real culture and what they actually do. It just matters if someone, you know, in New York has their feelings hurt by it. This is a very new experience for me. We climbed 2 kilometers. We're at the top of a mountain. What are we doing?
Now we go to catch the pig.
Do they have like a handle? Or we're gonna catch the pig, put it in a basket, and walk it back 2 kilometers to your house.
Yes.
And then from there, no one knows what happens, but it turns into food. Let's go catch a pig. I've done this before. If I catch this pig right here, what will you give me? I get to eat it for free?
Yes, okay, yes. But I think you cannot catch for this pig because this pig run very fast.
Oh, what the heck? It like knew it was on camera. Okay, so right there, we see the pig. The pig suspects nothing. It does not know that there is a crazy hunter. Oh, I took one step this way and it ran away. I wasn't even close to it. I think it, oh, yeah. Oh, uh-oh, do you see it? Do you see it, guy? Oh no, why is it so shy? Oh, there's one right there. I'm gonna go for it. Come here, Mickey. Oh, I was so close. Did you see me? Yeah, like I grabbed it by the foot and then it like kicked me and it called me a bad name. Oh my gosh, I was so close. It looks like somebody caught some already. This might be better. It's time to get some vegetables to round out our meal. And the garden is, oh, are the vegetables here?
Yes.
Oh, this is the vegetable section right here, the produce section. Right now, we're picking vegetables for our meal. Okay, I should say they're picking vegetables. I'm more just kind of hanging out. But look, you need me to catch a pig? I can do that. You need me to catch a vegetable? I've never done that before, but they're good at it. You did a wonderful job with your mother picking all these vegetables.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna prepare them and we're gonna eat that?
Yes.
Can I eat it now?
No.
Okay,
We
fine.
have to cook.
Be patient. I have a question about your outfit. Is this like a traditional outfit?
Yes.
Is this something that you actually wear, like normally?
For the special day when I go to the wedding or New Year, or I wear for this costume. Or I go to the outside my village, I also wear for this costume.
You're 19. You said that you're old.
Yes, in my village, everyone think I mean, very, very old lady. Because many people in my village, they get married very, very early. 19 years old.
How early? 19? How much earlier than 19?
About 14 or 15 years old, they already to get married. And 19 years old, they already to have 1 or 2 kids.
Oh my gosh. What was I doing? I couldn't even drive a car.
In my culture, if I want to get married, my parents can find husband help me. But I don't like that, and I don't want to get married early. Maybe in the future I can find another guy or yes.
If you find somebody, will your parents be okay with that?
Yes, maybe they okay.
So when the parents set you up with another guy, what do they look for? What kind of qualities?
He know how to work the rice field and cornfield. He know how to find the wood to build the house. That my parents say, oh, you are a very good boy. They think that.
This is so fascinating. It feels so different, but then so many familiar things too. I mean, there's people still using cell phones. You're on Facebook, but then at the same time, everyone here is still living very traditionally.
Yes. Yeah.
There's still people having arranged marriages, and the qualities they're looking for in a partner are like, can you build a house and grow some rice? But if you're looking for a guy, do you care about if he can build a house? Or what
I'm
do you care about?
That's sort of I think if I can find the guys and I love him, I can get married with him because maybe I want to change a little bit from my culture. Yes.
So maybe just find a nice guy.
Yes.
Someone you really like.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Oh.
Maybe he don't know how to find the wood to build the house.
But that's okay.
That is okay
as long
for
as
me.
you like each other.
Yes.
Out of the darkness,
Your mom here is hard at work. The pig we got today, it's not your standard like industry farm-raised pig. What's special about that pig?
Before we fried that pig on the forest and then we have to feed them.
So those are wild pigs, but you just feed them
Yes, yeah.
and then get them comfortable with you.
Yes, exactly.
And
yes.
then once in a while you eat one. And they kind of forgive you,
Yes, yeah.
as long as you keep feeding them.
Yeah.
Right here we have our boiling pork,
This is also for the pork, but we have to fry.
fried. And then this is being barbecued. Is that the skin?
Yes, this for the skin, yes.
Oh,
Yes.
it looks good. Are you excited? Are you hungry?
Yeah, everyone hungry.
Dinner is almost ready, but we can't have dinner without a place setting. And there's some growing on this tree over here. Are we getting some banana leaves?
So you have to cut for this tree, okay?
This is a mean machine right here. Look at that. So I just hit it hard?
Yeah.
Oh my God. That is crazy sharp.
Okay.
I didn't know it would cut so
Another
easily.
one.
Oh no, it's dirty. I wasted a whole plate. Oh, come here, come here. Come here. Oh, nice and clean.
Before we don't have the bowl, we use this like the bowl to eat something.
Oh,
to
just
eat
to
the
eat
rice.
right off of there.
Yes.
Look at this. This is our placemat for dinner. That's awesome. You know what? You better take this from me because I'm gonna hurt somebody. All right, thank you. We're here. The food is done. It looks amazing, and you are raring to go with this rice wine. So you do not have to wait any longer, my friend. Let's do it. Rice wine time. Ooh, yeah, buddy. First, I want to say thank you so much for bringing us together to make this incredible meal, and I can't wait to try it. How do you say thank you in your language?
Touching.
Dutching.
Yes.
Okay, Dutching.
Touching.
So how do you say cheers?
Just so.
Zo. Cheers.
Cheers. How do you feel?
I feel so happy. I mean, I can't believe how much came from that kind of smaller sized pig. There's so much food here. Can we talk about what some of this is?
Yes.
A boiled pork.
Pork with sour bamboo sauce.
Intestine. What is the black part though?
With the mushroom.
Oh, this is mushroom.
Yes. And this barbecue.
That looks really nice.
And cheers.
Ding.
Cheers.
Zo. You ever try mixing that with Diet Mountain Dew?
Actually, in my culture, when we drink rice wine, we use the bowl. One person who can drink about 3 or 4 bowls.
Before they die?
No, we don't die. When we get drunk, we can go to sleep.
Oh my God, there's more food. How, all of this is from that one pig?
This is for the fry.
The fried
Yeah,
one. So we've also added the fried pork right
Yes.
here. So this is the pork intestine.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, and who cleaned this?
My father.
Okay, I trust you. I trust you with my intestines. I saw him in there. All right, let's try it out.
How do you feel?
It's really excellent.
Ngon.
That's really tremendous. It's very salty. It's a little bit chewy. It is not gamey. No strong like animal smell. It doesn't smell like the locker room of a bunch of pigs after they played basketball. You know,
Yes.
it smells good. As we eat, I wanted to ask you a couple other questions. One of the kind of defining features of the Red Yao people is what we see with the shaving of the eyebrows and the hair. Where does that come from?
That's in my culture. If we get married, we have to shave the hair in here and brow here. If we shave the hair here, that's make we lucky for the future.
You'll be lucky.
Yes, yes.
You know, a lot of people comment on my videos. They say they can't see my eyebrows. Do you think that's kind of lucky?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Cool.
Tomorrow my mom will shave for you.
Okay, I'm gonna think about it. Check this out. Your dad's just doing a tuk lao. Yo, your dad knows how to party. Look at this guy. He's like rice wine, pork, tuk lao. He is in heaven right now. Oh, that was a monster hit, bro. Do you ever do the tuk lao?
Just for the men, only men.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that seems kind of sexist. I feel like women should smoke too. He loaded up another one right away? A double hitter. Wait, is he going for the triple hit? Is he going for the turkey? Oh God. I don't want to be impolite. I'm just going to do it a little bit. I mean, are you sure you don't want to try? I think it would be a step forward for equality if the Whippet also tried. Oh, I'm dizzy.
You have to eat for some food here.
This one?
Yeah.
I like green food.
Okay, more rice wine?
Yeah. Yo, you guys know how to party.
Do you want to use the bowl to drink rice wine?
No, I really don't. I don't. I need to draw a line somewhere.
If you feel you do this, that's you're very lucky.
Yeah, you know, you have a lot of stuff related to luck. I feel like you're just making stuff up at this point. You keep killing it over there. We're gonna come back to the food. We're gonna come back to the food. There you go, Kai. We've got this beautiful, oh, you're just handing it to me. I love this guy. Delicious fried pork. Guys, look at me, I'm a machine. I'm buzzing hard off of tuk lao and I still keep the food show a-rolling. Let's go, let's try it out.
Be careful the bone.
I just eat the bun. That is tremendous. Oh my gosh. Who made this rice wine?
My father.
Seriously, it is so impressive. You're like a Renaissance man. No, you're like a Renaissance family. Together, you guys can grow your own food, build your own house, get your own water, make rice wine, get texts or phone calls.
Yeah.
All of that together. That's amazing. This one is the barbecued
Yes, this
pork.
barbecue, yes.
All right, let's try it out.
The taste good?
There's lemongrass,
Yeah.
right?
And that's not lemongrass.
No,
Lemon leaf.
I'm so blown away. I look at this table. Hey, we're making a food show. Yeah, even the cat is jealous. That's how good this meal is. This cat is down here like, yo, I mean, can you give me a foot or something at least? I'm starting to understand, no matter where I am in this country, never doubt Vietnam and never doubt the quality of food and cuisine and kind of passion that goes into making everything. You know, I love food in Saigon, and that's where I've had most of my Vietnamese food, but even being way out here, this isolated area, way up in the mountains of Vietnam, the food is tremendous. I can't believe it. Thank you so much for this experience. We're gonna eat the rest of this off camera.
Yeah,
Thank you. Come on, Jay. Thank you.
Come on.
And thank you so much. And for you guys, if you're looking for an amazing way to experience the real Vietnam, let me tell you about ONETRIP. ONETRIP is a company putting on tours all over Vietnam, currently in Saigon, Da Nang, and Hoi An. From food tours to adventure tours, ONETRIP has you covered. For more information on ONETRIP, check the links in the description down below. I will see you next week. Peace.